This is a brief installation guide for the Schlosser Technik 4-roller repair lock kit. The kit offers a flexible solution for repairs to most UPVC doors. Here we have a sample door with no hardware fitted. First of all, insert the lock into the door, ensuring the fit. Before screwing the lock in, fit the handles and also fit the lock cylinder. Ensure the cam is aligned with the lock cylinder so it's inserted through the door properly. Secure the handles and pinch the screws up tightly. Don't over tighten the handle screws. And check the operation of the lock. Once that's in, secure the cylinder and then the lock can be secured into the door. Check the operation of the lock. Everything should move reasonably freely and the key should turn and lock out the door. So with the door in the open position, mark the position of the latch onto the door leaf, close the door leaf against the door frame and mark those latch positions onto the outer frame. Refer to the instructions included with the kit. Take the keep packers and insert the keep packers into the back of the one-piece keep. Push home firmly to ensure a correct fit. If required, the keep packers can be cut to suit the frame. Position the keep into the door frame and ensure that the latch plate aligns with the two marks as shown. Once you're happy with the position of that, fix the latch and the one-piece keep onto the frame. Check the alignment and close the door onto the frame and check for operation. If required, the roller keeps and the latch keeps can be adjusted as shown in the video. When the door closes, the rollers will assist in pulling the door against the frame, ensuring a tight weather seal. Thank you for watching.